In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a broker to MetaTrader 5. If you're setting up MetaTrader 5 for the first time, this is an important step because your broker connection is what gives the platform access to your trading account, market data, and trading functions. The process is straightforward, and once you know where to click, it only takes a minute. Start by opening the MetaTrader 5 platform on your computer. Make sure the application is fully loaded before you continue, so all the menu options are available and the platform is ready to accept your login details. Once MetaTrader 5 is open, go to the top left corner of the screen and click File. This opens the main account and platform menu where you'll find the option you need to connect an existing broker account. From that file menu, select Login to Trade Account. This will open the login window where you can enter the credentials provided for your trading account. This is the area that links your MT5 platform directly to your broker's server. In the login field, enter your unique login ID number. Be careful to type it exactly as provided. Even a small typo can prevent the platform from connecting, so it's a good idea to double check the number before moving on. Next, type or paste your trading account password into the password field. Make sure you're using the correct account password associated with that login ID. If you paste it in, it can help avoid typing mistakes, especially if your password is long or includes a mix of characters. After that, click the Server drop-down menu and select your assigned server. This part matters because the login details must match the correct server for your account. If your broker isn't listed right away, type the broker's exact name into the server field to search for it. When searching, use the official broker name exactly as it was provided, since similar names can sometimes appear in the list. Once all three fields are filled in correctly, click OK to establish the connection. MetaTrader 5 will then attempt to log in and connect your account to the broker's server. If the details are correct, your account should connect successfully and you'll be ready to use the platform. If it doesn't connect, the most common causes are an incorrect login ID, the wrong password, or selecting the wrong server. So review those fields carefully and try again. And that's how to connect a broker to MetaTrader 5.